Alright, this is a tour of cabin 6272 here on deck 6 of Freedom of the Seas. This is a balcony cabin stateroom. Just your everyday balcony cabin, but it is extremely nice. Here we have all of the safety information in case of the emergency. Our muster station is B11, which is deck 4 forward on the starboard side. Here we have the light switch for the entire room. Lights everything up. Here we got our cabin, or we have our closet is what it is. We have all the life jackets down there just in case. A lot of coat hangers. There's a lot up here actually. Then you have a couple shelves, which is really nice. Then you have your safe. So lots of storage. Good that we have a safe. Most ships do, but good to always have one just in case you want to put everything valuable away. It's loud. Here we have a look at the desk. We got a good bit of stuff. We got our things for the Wi-Fi package. So we got a really nice mirror. There's the switch here. There we go. Lights on up. But we have two plugs there. We have the European plug there. There's some, I think that's a little port for the telephone. And this is for the announcements. If you want the announcements to come on in the room, you just turn this dial on how loud you want it, or you just turn it off completely. A couple drawers down here, nothing too special, just a little bit of extra storage. Here we have some more cabinets right there. My wet socks. If you watch the videos, I just stepped in a puddle that was on our balcony. Have a good, nice little mini fridge and some disgusting oatmeal raisin cookies. So, here's our couch, complete with Justin.
Hello, this is our couch. It comes standard with the cabin, if you're wondering.
Justin comes standard with the cabin, is what it is.
Yes, I do. If you book any cruise, I will come standard with the cabin. They're probably like, oh, I'm never booking a cruise again.
Never booking a cruise on Freedom, ever.
This god darn remote don't work.
Good save.
Alright.
Here we have a little bit of a divider. I'm not going to unhook it too much, but you undo it, it'll go all, well, I guess we just undid it.
Oh, hello!
Go all the way across. Nope, it doesn't do that. I thought it went all the way across.
But if you don't want to look at a little fatty sitting on the couch, you just close the curtain.
There you go. Get a little telephone there. You have the switch here for the light. Have the light switch down here for the entire room. Nightstand on each side. Have the beds split apart. You can have them put together, of course, if you need to. Another lamp there. A look at the balcony. If I can get it open. There we go. Very good size balcony. 2 chairs, a table. It's a very large balcony. I love the balconies on this class of ship with the Liberty, Independence, Freedom, all of them. Very large balconies and also very deep as well. As you can see, I would say these are good 5 to 6 feet by 5 or 6 feet as well. Like, these are very, very large balconies. It's probably the best part about these ships. So, now that we have all of that out of the way, we have the most important part.
The most important meal of the day. Serving it up
Gary's way. we have a mirror and the bathroom.
Wow, a bathroom.
Have 2 cups just in case you need it. Some soap, don't drop it. That does not pop out. Some ships they do, but that one doesn't. So, a couple towels. The shower, standard, just a little bit of, kind of like a tube. Nothing too large or anything like that. And then we have Le Throne, complete with maximum suction. Anyways, that's all for the cabin tour of 6272 here on board Freedom of the Seas. It's a balcony cabin stateroom. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, make sure you leave a like down below. We're going to have a full ship tour of the Freedom of the Seas coming out very, very soon. Stay tuned for that, as well as all of our cruise vlogs coming on this ship. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.